Are your Google Slides presentations looking a bit messy because your images are all different sizes? Today, I'm going to show you how to make every image uniform, giving your slides a clean, professional look in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Google Slides in your browser and sign into your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you can either start a blank presentation or pick one of Google's templates to save some time. Templates are great if you want a polished design right from the start. Now, let's focus on your images. Click on any image in your slide to select it. You'll notice some new options appear at the top. Click on Format Options. This opens a sidebar on the right, full of tools to customize your image. In that sidebar, find Size and Rotation. Here's where the magic happens. You can set the exact height and width for your image. To make all your images the same size, note down your preferred dimensions and apply them to each image. If you like a hands-on approach, you can also resize manually by dragging the corner handles, but typing in exact values ensures perfect uniformity. And just like that, all your images are now the same size, making your slides look organized, professional, and visually appealing. It's a simple tweak that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, use it in your next presentation and watch how polished your slides look. Happy creating!